Successfully, we are able to send the email. Now, what we will do once we get the email using that token number, we are just going to reset our password. I will come here. I will be closing all the files. Inside this user controller.js, we have created this request password reset function. Now below this, I will write reset password, and here let me just write forgot password. Using this request password reset, successfully we are able to request the reset link and we are able to send the email. Now what I will do, inside this I will be creating the function export const. I will give the function name as reset password. Then this entire function I will be wrapping inside handle async error. I will pass this async function. Then I will pass request, response and next. I'm just going to open this function. First, let me open this user model.js. Inside this, what we have done, we have generated the token, and that token we have hashed and we have stored inside the database. So here, exact same thing I will be doing. I will just copy this variable reset password token. I will create the variable, and inside this entire thing what we have done, whatever token we have generated, that token we have hashed, and hash token we have stored inside the database. So this entire value I will copy, and inside this I am going to paste. But now while updating, I do not want reset token. Instead, let me just write here request dot params dot token. Okay, inside the parameter, whatever value I will be giving, that value I am going to access. First, let me create the route. I will copy. I will open user routes.js. Below this, I will be creating the route. Inside this, I will pass reset, and then I'm just going to pass colon token. Dynamically, we are going to get the token value. Okay, whatever token we will be sending in the URL, let me just open. You can see this complete URL. After this, we are having reset that I have passed, and using this, I will be getting the token. That value I will be accessing using this parameter. And inside this, let me pass reset password. As soon as I hit enter, reset password will be imported. I will come to Postman. I will copy this route. Click on plus. Here I will be pasting post request. Remove this entire thing. After API/v1, here I will be passing reset. And after this, I have to give the token. What token I have to give? Exact same token which we have received in email. I will just open this email which we have received for admin. From here, I'm just going to copy this route. First, let me click on this. From here, I will just copy this entire token, copy, and then inside this, I'm going to paste. So using request.params.token, I'm just accessing this token. Let me come to this file. Here, I will be writing log, and inside this, I will just copy this entire thing, and here I will be pasting. So this token value, whatever variable you have given, exact same value you have to give. Now I will come, click on send. Okay, I'm having crypto create hash is not defined. Why? Because inside this user controller, we are using crypto. So first we have to import that package. Here I'm just going to import crypto, import crypto from crypto package. Save this. Come to this function. I will open Postman, click on send. My request is being sent. I will open terminal. You can see using that request.params.token, I am able to access the token which I am having in this URL. Cancel, come here, close terminal, and I will remove this log. I hope you understood. Whatever token we are having, that token we are creating hash, and that entire value we are going to store inside this reset password token. Once we hash, only then whatever data is stored inside the database, we can access that data. Because inside user model, we have just hashed a token, and that hash token we have stored inside the database. So that is the reason we are hashing our token, and we are just storing that value inside this reset password token. Now using this, I'm just going to find the user const. I will create the variable user await. I will be giving this user model, and then I will pass find one method. Inside this, I will be passing reset password token. Okay, let me just write reset password token. For this property, I'm just going to find the value which is present inside this variable. If both are same, only once we are going to pass. Then reset password expire. How we have to check? I will be writing here. If my time is greater than current time, that means my token is not expired. If it is expired, then accordingly we have to send the message. If it is not expired, only then we have to find the user. So for this reset password, what we have told, after 30 minutes, my token has to be expired. So here I will be writing 30 minutes. And current time while sending the request, imagine it was 1 o'clock. And at 1:30, my token will be expired. Now I'm just resetting the password at 1:15. So 1:30, at this time my token will be expired. 1:30 is greater than 1:15. Yes, it is, which means my token is not expired. But imagine I am just changing my password at 1:45. Now 1:30, at 1:30 my token is expired. 1:30 is greater than 1:45. The condition fails. So in this case, my token is already expired. So that is the reason we are checking in this way. So using this, we are checking whether our token is expired or not. Below this, I will write if there is no user, there can be two possibilities whether a token is expired or token is invalid. So here I will write return next new handle error. Inside this, I will pass the message reset password token is invalid, reset, or has been expired. And then status code, I will be passing 400. So in this way, I'm just going to pass. Let me open Postman. Now let us see whether this token is expired or not. I will click on send. Okay. Successfully, I am able to send, which means my token is not expired. But here, let me cancel. I will change last DB to CV. I will click on send. Now you can see I am having reset password token is invalid or it has been expired. Let me give correct token. Again, if I click on send, my request will be sent. So till here, everything is fine. Now what I will do? Now I'm just going to reset the password. First, I'm just going to access password, and then I will access confirm password from request.body. Okay, while resetting the password, user will be giving the password as well as user will be giving confirm password. Below this, I will be checking if my password, if it is not equal to confirm password, I will come here. Again, I'm going to throw the error. copy, paste. Here I will write password does not match. Now let me just copy these variables. Come here, select body, select raw. From here it should be JSON. Here I will be passing password. Password I will write 12345678 separate by comma. Then I will be writing confirm password 1111. Click on send. Now I will have password does not match. If both the passwords are matching, then from this user, whichever user we have found using this reset password token and reset password expire, from there I'm just going to access this password, and for this I'm just going to assign the password which we have given in body. So in this way I'm just going to assign the new password. Once I have reset the new password, then for this property and for this property, we have to set to undefined. So here I will write user dot reset password token will be equal to undefined. Then finally user dot reset password expire will be equal to undefined. And once all the data is set, we have to save this data. Await user dot save. So in this case, we are resetting the password. So before saving, what it will do inside user model, we have already defined the event. Before saving, first it will check if my password is not modified, move to next function. But here my password is modified. So what it will do, it will hash the password, and that hashed password will be stored inside the database. Once this entire thing is done, here I'm just going to call this send token, inside which, okay, exact same thing which we have passed inside our login function. You can see send token. Using this, we are sending our response. So here I will be passing user, then status code 200, then finally I will be passing response. That's it. Now I will come here. First, let us check if it is working or not. Again, I will click on send. I am having reset password token is invalid or it has been expired, which means this token is expired. So I will come here. Inside this body, I have given khanamtestad@gmail.com. Again, I will click on send. Let's wait. I am having email is sent to khanamtestad@gmail.com successfully. Now I'm just going to open my email. You can see I'm having this new email. Why it was expired? Previously, the first email which we have sent, it was sent 33 minutes ago. But after 30 minutes, this token is expired. So that is the reason we had that error. Now I will click on this, close. From here, I will copy this token, copy. I will open Postman. Now inside this, I'm just going to paste. Now I will click on send. I am having password does not match. Previously password was 12345678. Now what I will do, I will give 8 ones. Same thing I will copy and here I will be pasting. Now both are correct. I will click on send. Now you can see successfully I am able to send the password, and inside the response, using that send token, whatever response we have sent, successfully we are able to get this complete response. And if you see, our password will be hashed. And also we are having the token. Why? Because inside send token, we are just sending the token in a response. And also if I open the database, let me refresh. Now you can see for khanamtestad@gmail.com, password is been updated, so we will not have reset password expire and reset password token. But for Khanam teaching also, if you want to remove both, let me just come here inside this forgot password. Again, I will just write here khanamteaching@gmail.com. I will click on send. Email is sent to khanamteaching@gmail.com. I will open email. I will open this user. Here I am having the email. This is my current email. Click on this. I will copy. Before that, let me come to database. I will refresh. Now you can see I am having new reset password token and new expired timing. I will come here, give this token. Inside this, let me just write 2222. In total, I will be passing 8 twos. Same thing I will copy. I will be pasting. Click on send. Successfully, my password is updated for Seema and complete response I will be having. Now I will come to database. Once my password is updated, what we have done, we have set new password to our password field, and both these two properties we have set to undefined. So as soon as I refresh, you can see both the properties will be gone and new hashed password will be available inside this password. Now, if you want to log in with this new password, you have to log in to this user. First, I will come to log out. Click on send. I will come to login. Here I have given Khanam test AD and I have given the old password. Click on send. I will have invalid email or password. I will give the new password. For Khanam test, we have given 8 ones. Now I will click on send. Successfully, we will be able to log in with the new resetted password. So in this way, we have created our complete functionality for forgetting the password, sending the mail and resetting the password. Just take your time and understand each and every functionality and follow every single step.